KC. Welcome to Keep Cooking KC. I hope you find this video pretty helpful. Yeah, that's really embarrassing. That's how I live my life. Finger guns. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Yeah, put them back in my holster now. Thanks. Hey guys, it's KC from KeepCookinKC. Today we are doing almond crusted Mahi Mahi, also known as the dolphin fish. Just relax though before you start freaking out. It is not actually a dolphin. I googled the crap out of it. It is a regular fish. So we are good to go. All right, like really, let's go though. So you'll see that my almonds were in a frying pan and I was like kind of cooking them ahead of time. What I did was I toasted them so that the nuttiness really pulls through out of the almonds. It's like going from like regular nuttiness to like freaking in your face nuttiness, which is amazing. It makes the flavor just so much better. So you'll notice that I was patting dry the fish, right? So I was doing that because you'll see the first fish that I didn't. I just kind of wanted you to get an idea, like if you don't pat it dry first, it holds on to moisture, and when it holds on to all that moisture, it makes it very difficult to dredge and like flour and all that. So then when you go to put it in the pan, then stuff falls off and it just becomes kind of chaotic. But if you pat it dry first, then it holds on to moisture, or it gets rid of the moisture and so on and so forth, and the breading in this case the almonds, stay on. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed Mahi Mahi. If you guys like this video and want to see more videos with helpful hints and tips and how to cook stuff in the kitchen, well obviously this channel will be around, so you can subscribe to this little head right here. And that's it. So we'll see you guys next time on Keep Cooking KC. You guys have a great night. Thank you so much.